In this video, I will show you how to crop on PhotoRoom. To crop a photo on PhotoRoom, just open the app and scroll down until you see the blank canvas option. From there, insert a photo. You can choose from your camera roll, recent uploads, or other folders. I will go ahead and grab one from recent uploads. Once the image loads, just tap on it. Then tap Edit Cutout. At the top of the screen, you will see a little crop icon. Go ahead and click that. Now you can just drag the sides to crop your photo however you like. And once you've got the look you want, tap Done to save the changes. And that's it. Your photo is now perfectly cropped and ready to go. That's how you crop on PhotoRoom.